Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? It is Saturday, February 10th of 2024, and we are back for another stream. It's been a while. I was in Vienna for a week, and so I didn't stream then, and might be time to cut my hair too. Yeah, I was in Vienna for a week, for work stuff. Didn't really do much other than walk around a lot and eat food. But that was fun. And then I've been busy. So did I go skiing? Skiing in Vienna? I don't even know. I did not. It was not very cold. Is there skiing near Vienna? I didn't even know if that was a thing. I guess there's small ones. Can you go skiing near Vienna? Not 150 kilometers away. Okay, yeah, no, that was not happening. But yeah. And it's been warm here, so I don't even know if there's any skiing there either. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. And then we'll jump into things. Oh, my Twitch chat is cut off there. We got JJMC, who was first, and who has resubbed at 23 months. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. Appreciate you stopping by. We've also got Grandpa's iPad, who has bad news. Oh no. That's unfortunate. Well, I hope you can find a new place, and I hope you're still in a decent spot. But that's tough news. Oh, you still got me. It's true. Drunk Time Lord has also resubbed at 35 months. Good to see you again. And Beldathis has resubbed at 37 months. Thank you both, or thank you all, for your continued support. I appreciate you all, and thank you all for hanging out with me. Let me continue to say hello to everyone who's here. Marsha is also here. Says, "What up, Snack Boy?" Oh no. Sarab's also here. Hello, hello. Wusa, good to see you again. Drunk Time Lord, still here. John MV1, hello, hello. How you doing? We already said hi to everyone else. Oh, lots of chat. Good news for a 3-year anniversary. Okay, good. Looking forward to that. Baletta says it was in Vienna, but not Paris. It's true. It's true. Did you eat any Vienna sausages? I did not. I did learn a thing though. And I felt a little dumb after I learned the thing. You know how there's the term Wiener Schnitzel? It's because Vienna is Wien, or at least, yeah. It's not because they're wieners. It's, yeah. I felt a little dumb. Admittedly, I don't eat schnitzel or sausage, so it wasn't like something that Yo, wait. They're redoing some of the hype train emotes. I got Love Peak L. There's a chance for me to get the fucking cat. But I feel like they're just re-rolling some of the old ones. But now I have Love Peak L. Hell yeah. Gavin Steinbein says, I got a good severance and some savings, so I'm chilling. Nice, nice. Is Sentry hiring? I think in some ways Sentry is always hiring. Bad Carrot K, hello, hello, welcome back. How you doing? They are wieners, that's why a wiener slang for pee-pee. Yeah, sure. Exonity, thank you for the resub at 37 months. It's good to see you again. Good to see that Noodle's got whiskey in his belly still. Wait, why did I get another hype train emote? I got 2 of them? That seems bugged. Yeah, I got 2 hype train emotes. What's up with that? Weird. Conniegeist is also resubbed at 32 months. It's good to see you again. Yeah, I haven't streamed for a while, so everyone comes in with the resubs. But good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. Okay, we just have a bunch of junk to do today. I don't have anything specific, but my inbox has 16 unread, so I am behind on stuff a little bit. So let's jump into it. Let's get some shit done. What are we gonna start with? We'll ignore that one. We'll ignore that one. Okay, maybe. Okay, a lot of these are difficult. Okay, let's start with this one. It's just an issue. Cool story, bro. Just fucking. It took you more time to type this than it did to fix. To just do it. If they are unambiguous, just send API with. Alright, one done. Hooray. Easy. This one is next. Rather than maintain on a Pepe instead of archived mirror. Oh, did I archive it? I didn't think I archived it. Maybe I did? Oh, I did. Look at that. Stonkfish! Hello, hello. You got a new color. Yay, we did it. Now you can take a Pokemon break. My Pokemon did actually beep downstairs. Why did they do it like that? I want to say that this person had something in the list already. We got a good code change like a ghost anyway, so might as well get it correct. Chat, why are you broken today? Yeah, Pokemon posters from Vienna. Yeah, I did send a bunch of Pokemon Go gifties from Vienna. I walked 100 kilometers that week, and I did not get the egg that I wanted. Real annoying. I guess it was not listed. Huh. Weird. Very weird. I guess it could be listed here since that's where this one was. Why are these not sorted? Rogues. I'm allowed to walk miles. It's true. It's true. But Pokemon goes in kilometers for whatever reason, just permanently. Weird. It was here before, but this is probably the Pisces version. Oh no, that's the other guy. Oh no, I've confused two different people. I'm the worst. Yeah, I guess we can just add it to the bottom then. Doesn't feel quite right, but I don't care. Oh, is it gonna not let me push? I hate when people do this. Don't commit to your main branch. Please. Stonkfish says, how's your trip? How's everything been? Trip was fine. Work's been busy. Just generally busy. I'm tired. I've just been tired. That's basically it. Yeah, that's correct. I feel that. Yeah. It feels like there's never a break. But that is the way things go. I never realized that this kitty like moves the thing and then like flinches, but way too late after the ball hits him in the face. There's a little flinch in there. Flinch. All right, one down, two down, 14 to go. Okay, this one was a support request, so 13 to go. How Hooray! I think we can do 2 at once with this one. We're creating draft PRs for Azure DevOps. Apparently I have to click the mine Bitcoin button. Why is this repo not set up to do this properly? Actions, general. That one. I don't see why this would fail tests, but I don't know why it's drafted. What's a Flincheon? Do I do any of the? I don't think any of the evolutions run any flinchy moves. I think Flareon would be the only one that would. But I also don't think it runs any flinchy moves. Not like Togekiss with Air Slash. Yeah, why is this a draft? Do they literally made this PR from GitHub? I mean, this seems fine. I'm not gonna rebase their branch and make it not a draft. Can I force it to not be a draft? I can't. They have to do it. Oh, there's a button. It's right here. I see it. It's right in front of my nose. Thank you, John, everyone. Duh. Off to a great start today. Yeah. Good coach, change like a ghost. Yeah, this seems fine. The new UI for GitHub is so great. They keep moving shit around. Oh, I wonder if we just got to the did not fix it. I'll go and fix this then. Atrocious typing on my part, or find GitLab much nicer? I feel like GitLab has so many buttons. Yeah, I forgot this here. Why doesn't this one need it though? I don't know. I don't know why this doesn't need Git information. Maybe this always uses my username? No, this does a bunch of Git stuff. Very strange. I guess this should be fast forward. Always. Yeah, it should be fast forward always. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. Stumper says, haha, know me, but also my brain interpreted more typos that were actually there. Oh. Nice. Do. Apparently there's new Python releases. 3.12.2, 3.11.8. This one failed because of the... Oh fuck, I bet this isn't gonna work. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh wait, actually, I bet I can just do... No, that's gonna be the old action. Damn, I think this is not gonna work. We'll try it anyway. I think the update is not idempotent, so it's gonna be like, what are you doing? I guess configuration options UI is so bad, they just constantly move things between versions. Yeah. And introduce bugs along the way. Yeah. John the Sheep says, let's burn everything and start from scratch again. Yeah, if only it were that simple. Damn, yeah, I had a feeling this was gonna happen. Ah. See if the 3.11 one got triggered 2 months ago. On 3.12.2 on a server at work and use it as alt install works fine so far. Yeah, I expect it to. Kuna guy says, I'm mostly just jaded because we use a self-hosted version of GitLab. For some reason they refuse to enable cross-runner caching. Oh. That's weird. That's one. Cube, hello. You could probably build your own caching and then you wouldn't have to worry about it. Oh, they didn't write docs for this, did they? There's no docs for it anyway. Yeah, there's no docs. Okay, well. Not their problem. Oh. Was there not a new 3.11 release? 3.11.8? Oh. That's what I do. I hack the GitLab registry to zip up a cache and grab them there. Hey, there you go. It just says, I learned that setup tools isn't provided by VM anymore. That's true. It also isn't provided by virtualenv anymore. The idea is that pip is supposed to bootstrap it, which is supposed to make everything better, but it just makes everything slightly slower. It's built from source. But shrugs. Tobs on Twitch, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry, trying to help get this release out and not having me do it. Tom says, I'm 92% sure I was falling for. Yeah, you've been here before. Your name is familiar. Yeah, you have a bunch of messages too. Huh? Trugs. Falling since 1 minute ago though. Alvy says split keyword gives more speed than regular. No, I'm slower. Doesn't new dead snakes high? And he's a Python dev. We've had beers together. He's good. Oh, did he already do it? And I'm just dumb? No. Do 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 do. Yeah, split keyboard at work a few months ago, and now there are 3 people in my row using them. This says new dead case, new contributor, new maintainer. A new maintainer. A new person to help. Ekfan Chess, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. And Wodebawa, also welcome, welcome. Yeah, today is not super descriptive because I don't really have a plan. We're just kind of chugging through stuff. And I'm also trying to help somebody over Discord at the moment, which is going all right. Okay, but anyway, that is done. Oh wait, I gotta release. Month minor. Right, Shakespeare laying on this stream? I don't think that's the case. Yeah, token. Paste. Do. Cool. Okay, now that one's definitely done. It's down to 12 things. Oh, this one's an easy one too. I just have to good code change the way it goes. Hello! Shaz, thank you for the resub at 42 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I appreciate your continued support. Yeah, this looks fine, but we got good code changed like a ghost. Get the remote, add this. Eric RNG. Is that Knackle Eric but changed? Yeah, 999 messages. Of course it is. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Shaz says, the more I get into development, I admire you more and more for having the energy to do any sort of program on the weekends or after weekdays. Like, how the fuck, dude? Well, I mean, I'll be honest. I'm pretty tired lately. To where I'm not having as much effort or such. But I don't know. Sometimes it's fun. I'm about to change it back next time I'm allowed to. Oh. You don't like the new one? The trick is not having the energy but doing it anyway. Yeah, that's been a lot of it recently. Oh yeah, earlier in my career I definitely had a lot more energy to do this stuff. Now it feels like not as much, but eh. Drugs? I'm exhausted? Yeah. I'm exhausted right now too. Standard Robot! Hello, hello, welcome back. How you doing? We can hear the current mood in your last video. Yeah. 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 I mean, in a way I'm glad I recorded that, but in another way, man, I've been getting a lot of nasty comments on it. I almost feel like I should have put it up with comments disabled, but too late now. Shad says, it might get easier as I get better because I'm struggling most of the time right now, just trying to learn stuff. Yeah, I think it does get easier the more you know. To a point, and then you know too much, and you're like, ah, fuck. Now what? That one's done though. We're down to 11. This one's going to conflict almost certainly. Excellent. Panic checker, blah 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 blah. Oh, they did add a Go version of it. I'm surprised they need such a new version. Surprised. Also, I'm surprised this isn't conflicting. Oh, it is. Okay. Ah, and another person that did it on their main branch. Damn it. Tic says, what are your opinion about Web3 and Solidity language? It's all a planet-burning scam. Web3 was a stupid fad. Morning Sci-Fi says, how much Go do you write? As little as I can get away with. I've written quite a lot of Go, but I do not like to write Go. Yeah. Yeah. MZLot says, why? Because you have to write so much to do so little. And I feel like when I'm writing it, I can just hear Rob Pike screaming at me, saying, you're a fucking idiot. Why are you writing this language? Why are you working on this? Why are you doing this? I'd just much rather write something in a more pleasant language. Go is designed to hire thousands of engineers that are like where mediocrity is acceptable, and get them to write code in a giant monorepo. And I don't think I fit any of those things or stuff that I would want to do. TikTok says, how about being bug bounty instead of programming? Bug bounties are all a scam. They're almost always a scam. Oh, damn. I know I have a video on this. Well, not gonna be able to find it. Anything, what's the language you enjoy the most when you make projects for yourself? I would maybe say Python, but I don't know that that's the right answer. Wait, what the fuck? Ah, yes. This button doesn't need to be in this box. You can't even see it. How did they fuck this up? CSS is my passion. Miracram right here. Frank Cyber says, interesting. I just thought Python enabled mediocrity, saying that it's someone who loves it. I think the thing about Python is it's hard to work in a large code base and get everything all working together nicely. Go makes it so there's like only one way to do it, and that one way to do it is incredibly dumb and extremely verbose. What? Get a UI is amazing. Yeah, yes, it's funny. Hello. Strange sorcerer. Good to see you again. Ah, they GPG signed this. Oh wait, no, they didn't. I fucked their signature. Oh well. GPG is a waste of time. Oh, what do we have next? This one I want to reproduce, but I don't know how. Oh no, stop it. No, I don't want. Okay. Okay, so this one's gonna be a little bit trickier, not just something easy. Maybe Python could learn a thing or two from Go about having one way to do something. Yeah, but they keep inventing more. Yeah, so weirdly, there's some CRLF setting that causes getDiff to fail. And this is a modern version of get. I remember they made this mistake at some point where this turned into an error. But I'm kind of curious what it is. Yeah, like there's just this warning. All right, time to look at the CRLF settings for Git again. Auto CRLF. True input false. It's not core.whitespace. Is there no other CRLF setting? Bitvestment says tomorrow. Yeah. So what's the command that it's running? Diff index, blah blah blah. Exit code, no color, no xdiff, oh, something. Backtrace here. There needs to be an unstable. Oh, also cross drive, kind of weird. What is that commit ID? Oops. That's probably the right tree output. Tree-ish. Oh, that's weird. There's no warning here. Oh no, but the exit code is correct. Return code 1. I could have sworn that it checks return code there. Oh. So if it's return code 1 and there's no standard out, is that what the problem is? You think bug bounty is not a scam, man? Have you participated in one? Have you made any money from one? Have you tried to submit bugs for bounties? Otherwise, your opinion does not matter. Yeah? How much have you made? How much time have you invested? Hmm. A lot and few money. Name a dollar amount. Show me your link me your reports. Show me the receipts. Yeah, so here's the problem. Okay. So it has a diff. A lot of time and 5,000 monthly. Show me your links. Otherwise you're full of shit. Yeah, 5,000 in what currency? Also 5,000 a month, like that's what it's 60-ish, 60K a year. It's still like a quarter of what your take home could be. Google pays a heavy penny for bug bounties. Yeah, I mean, I have a Google bounty. US dollars. Show me your links. Show me your links in your next message or I'm banning you. I wonder why this is here. Show me the money. Well, you didn't. You had one job. Bye. They got. They didn't follow directions. They're just stupid. Hey, what's up, Mustache? Hello, hello. How you doing? Bug bounties and hackathons are so horrible now. The company use them to offload work that will cost them way less money than actually paying their devs. Oh yeah, 100%. Okay, so what did this do before? Hmm. Why is this Pragma Win32 no cover? That seems really suspicious. Turns out they were saying I will get banned. Yeah. We witnessed a bug bounty. The bounty was banned. Yeah. A lot of time they fight so hard to avoid paying on some random technicalities. 100%. That has been my experience with almost every single bounty I've tried to submit. And I've made like 20k on bounties. But that's, you know, effectively zero given the amount of time that I inputted. And if they were properly paid out, it might have been close to like 50 or 60k. But even that was not fucking worth my time. And a lot of times they would just be like, oh yeah, we've decided this isn't a insecurity scope. And just ignored it. Anyway, they're a fucking scam. Don't let anyone convince you otherwise. They would not do them if it weren't significantly profitable to the original person. I'll never forget the bug I found at a college I was applying to, and the response their security team gave me for letting them know was about their fuck up. Where they well, the funny thing is some companies will call the authorities on you reporting a security bug, so I just don't even look for them anymore. I used to look for them in college because it was kind of fun. We would call them XSS Fridays, and we would poke around at our website at Yelp and competitors' websites. In retrospect, Friday was the worst day to do that because we found so many bugs like this. And I'd be like, ah, shit, now it's a P0 to fix it. Guess who's getting their Friday ruined? Oh, wait, it's me. Yeah, so I'm thinking, I'm thinking that I should not. Where is that repo that we're in? Yeah, because git status is definitely showing this as added and modified. I'm thinking this needs to have. How do I get it to actually show a diff here? It's very, very weird. And then secretly fix the issue without telling you, giving proper credits? Yeah. Say their Java backend was horrible. I wasn't even trying to do it, just was like, oh, that ain't good. Yeah. Maybe there's a way to ensure long-term bug bounty rewards by infiltrating a group that's constantly finding bugs and security vulnerabilities to take advantage of them. Drip feeding out what's found? No, probably not. Sounds illegal. I'm in. There is like a third-party bug bounty that sells them to people. I don't think that's quite right. Um, bug crowd? No, I don't remember what it was. But they were like a black market for buying and selling, a like public black market about buying and selling bug bounties. Um, damn, how do I tell Git to not do this? Because it still is an error there. Like, I wonder if I have to do this? No? Sudo get, please don't do this. Yeah, this is a weird one. These companies probably pay tens of thousands of dollars to pen testers who run scans on their software. Yeah. Yeah, those are scammy too. Oh, I know why this is no cover. Because I can't trigger the permissions issue on Windows. Yeah, this is a very interesting one. Because Git knows that there's a diff, but it won't show it to me. Even though I have told it in no uncertain terms to fuck off about CRLF. Maybe there's an option in here. Because we're in binary mode too, so it should try real hard. Raw is the default, yeah. Blah blah blah, stack, summary. At garbage. Z is for quoting stuff, which don't care about. Don't care about coloring. There's check, but that's not what we want. Find copiers harder. Outdated version. Thank you for the resub at 44 months. Holy shit. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate your continued support. I hope you're having a good day. Sayron tried Rye from Armin. Yeah, Armin has showed me it. I haven't really used it because it seems a bit too much hype, and I don't know, my few attempts with it didn't get me very far. I had a client who hired a pen tester who required us to allow list their IP range on the firewall and then complain about all the ports they could hit. That's funny. Minosa, hello, how you doing? Get a blue team, but the 12 plus hours a day looking at syslogs locked in a windowless room probably wasn't up to OSHA regulations. Holy shit. That sounds awful. Treat all files as text. I don't think that is. Oh. Ignore CR at end of line. How do I turn that off? Because it seems like it's doing that right now. Eat the visible in index. What is that supposed to be? Oh, this is intent to add. uh. Ethan, I go way back. Wonder how to take for a build backend and front end to get integrated into the standard library. It would go there to rot and die because it couldn't get updated, even though a release happens once a year, and so just be stuck. Ten out of 10 would assume you're Italian. I mean, I've got some in my blood. Get Mario, Luigi, wow. The pizza and the pasta. I'm watching Next Level Chef today, not gonna lie, pretty refreshing to see a Gordon Ramsay show where he doesn't verbally abuse everyone. Oh. That's surprising. I thought that was his shtick. Okay, seems to me like GitDiff just can't handle this case. But I wonder... Does this discard changes? It does. And what happens if we git apply an empty patch? Oh, it errors. What's the best thing to do here? It should discard these changes, and it should know how to apply them back, but Git doesn't give you any information to do that. Even firing watching Gordon not being able to make a grilled cheese? Huh. When did he do that? Is that a thing that happened? It's so easy to make a grilled cheese. He keeps putting meat in it and several cheeses and they don't melt. Oh no. Okay, so the problem is this check is correct. It's falling into this branch because Git is reporting a diff but then not showing what the diff is. This is just typical Git fashion. I don't quite know what the right thing to do is here. Like, we could probably just say if it's 0 or 1 and empty, then do this. Yeah, well, let's start by writing a test, I guess. Have you ever seen the Reddit rant about grilled cheese versus melts? Oh no. Is that a thing? Grilled cheese, you people make me sick. Why is I mean, of course there's a grilled cheese subreddit, but why is there a grilled cheese subreddit? Oh fuck. Grilled cheese consists of only the following ingredients: cheese, bread with spread, usually butter. The entire subreddit consists of melts. Almost every grilled cheese I see in here has other items added to it. The fact this subreddit is called grilled cheese is nothing short of utter blasphemy. Oh my god. Let me start out by saying I have nothing against melts. I just hate their association with sandwiches that are not grilled cheese. Adding cheese to your tuna sandwich is called a tuna melt. Totally different. Want to add bacon and some pretentious breadcrumbs with spinach? I don't know what the hell you'd call that, but it's not a grilled cheese. I'm more than willing to wager I've eaten more grilled cheese in my 21 years than any of you had in your entire lives. I had one almost every day, and sometimes more than just one sandwich. Want to personalize your grilled cheese? Use a mix of different cheeses, or use sourdough or French fat. But if you want to add some pulled pork and take a picture of it, make your own subreddit entitled Melts, because that's not a fucking grilled cheese. That's amazing. So that's pretty damn good. Alright, I'm pretty sure there's another Cyril F garbage in here too. Oh, but there's an actual diff here. Oh. What am I doing? I don't know what this is gonna do on Windows. Kegsit, hello, hello. How you doing? 15,000 Reddit and upvoted it. I'm glad the internet stood by this man's side in a trying time. Yeah. Actually, I wonder if it's auto serial false if we get the same behavior. Oh. Oh, what? What the fuck? That's even more perplexing. Get diff return. Oh, I guess I need to get diff exit code. Okay, so that's exit code 1, but no output. What the hell? Middle, my work pays 75% of tuition. I'm planning to go back for a master's degree. AI, cyber, or data science coding. So what's the dilemma? Sounds like easy choice. I mean, I don't think a master's degree actually helps all that much, but so we can actually set this to false. And then damn it, why did this pass? No. The f is going on here? What? Why? So the core.autoserialf setting matters when you add it, I guess? And what does autoserialf even do? This is the GitHub page, which is not going to help me. Okay. So I want it to be true, I think. Not false. Hooray! Okay. We have the crash now. I wonder if this does the same thing with serialf as input. You know, it doesn't do it with okay, so it also does it with input. That's interesting. There's no standard error on this one. Specs, hello, hello, welcome back. Yeah, it has been a while for me. You as well. Good to see you again. Okay, so we know that return code 1 is a non-failure, but this is definitely a bug in Git. Oh, I guess I should make sure that this passes first. Or that it fails first. Both of them fail. Oh, this is supposed to be true in input. Yes, of course. We should have 2 failures now. Good, good. I'm gonna go over here and undo it. Git wouldn't have this bug if Windows was saying OS in the first place. Yeah. Yeah. Should probably report this bug. I don't care enough. Read files only can handle a serialf only diff. Probable. Okay. Feels satisfactory. It's unfortunate, but yeah, we don't actually make any assertions here, just that it doesn't crash. I should probably reference the comment. No, damn it, not on my phone. It's LinkedIn garbage. I can look at it later. Docker on Windows will cryptically refuse to execute entry point scripts if it ends with CRLF. I think that's just not Unix systems in general. Yeah. That's just Unix systems in general. Because \r, I guess, is not interpreted as a whitespace character. But yeah, I've definitely hit that before, not just from Windows, but also people being like, what is bash \r? It's not Docker. It's just Unix in general. What was I doing? Oh, I was finding the comment that this came from. Now that Control-Alt-Shift semicolon and the shell writes the last argument of the last command. Oh, there's an easy way to do that. You do Alt dot, and you can cycle through more of them. Marsha showed me this one. Hooray! I feel like this Control-Shift Alt semicolon does not work for me. Meta semicolon? No. That one doesn't work for me. But Alt dot does. It seems like a French ass keyboard one. Exit. Control Alt Shift semicolon also cycles. I feel like it's actually doing Alt dot and your French keyboard is Frenching you. But I also don't know. That's just a guess. Maybe the control's ignored. Alt Shift this. I don't know. French keyboard. Are you gaming? What are you gaming? Why are they so close together? Because your face is so big. You didn't say the magic word. It's a Unix system. True. It's true. Alright, we're gonna let this auto merge. And maybe make a release after that. Yeah, I know I didn't type my auth code. LinkedIn, leave me alone. What is the page for this? It's an error page for light. I just don't remember what it's called. Light status. It looks real funny in the empty state. Yeah, how does the main thing do this? Push commit. Push output matchers. Oh yes. Yeah, so I guess I need to do these same things for frequency highlight. Yeah, so the context of this is frequency has a whole bunch of reasons that it can find that pushes fail. But frequency light does not have all of these. Oh, and this is going to broken different. Does it make this push from the? Oh, it pushes via get. Just all of the statuses are the same. Yeah, so this is basically the same chunk of code here. That's supposed to be. Yeah, because I kind of want these same things here. How do? I know, but I'm gonna fill up my water, so I'll be right back, and we'll think about how to solve this, and I'll see you in a sec. We're back. Okay, so I think I can just add a lot of these error messages and then add the same output matchers here. A little bit of duplicated code, but I think it'll be fine. Let's figure out how to add that. How did this work? Oh, that's funny. Where do these actually get translated? Oh, probably in web. X, thank you for the resub at 13 months. Good to see you again. Welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Skip reasons. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so this is the one that they ran into. GitHub prevented frequency light from autofixing from pushing this PR due to changes to a workflow file. Yes. We'll add just that specific one. Well, okay, we should add them all. We should add them all. This is the first place it can fail. Metal Storm, how you doing? Wraith Within's also here. Hello, hello. Yeah, I mean, you can form your own opinions. I just wanted to share my thoughts on that. Okay, branch protection error. Okay, so that's when this fetch fails. Interesting that I do depth 2. Oh, why it's depth 2. This is depth 1. Huh. Oh, I guess I fetch a commit. Me, when, honestly, yeah. Indeed, Zithrius. Thank you for the resub. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. Hi. Huh. Oh, I know why. Yeah. This is the actual commit that we made via the API. And so it is just pushing to the branch. So there is no fetch here. So we actually don't have this failure mode. Or I guess it wraps up into this one. What is up? But I cannot stress this enough, my gamers. Not much. We're just adding some error messages. Okay, so we don't have this one. We do have these ones up here, though. So we can handle those as well. Okay, so branch protection, GitHub org, permission denied, update workflow. Okay. Mixter Jake, thank you for the resub at 44 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. What does the gold pixel heart mean? I feel like I asked you this before, but I have forgotten, so you can tell me again. Twitch charity. Nice. Makes sense. Push failed organization, push failed permission. We got push failed workflow, and then we got the unknown one. Okay. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4 new ones. 4 new ones. Okay. Now we're using check call here, so we lose the output. Tricky. Okay, so we have a bunch of other push failed ones now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna make sure we copy paste these. It's gonna be mad about this line being too long. Oh, this was status. Oops. Spitfire says, do you think you could do a video on your screen, subprocess, subinterpreter, threading, and async? I have sort of already done this. I don't remember what the title is. Oh god. I did Control W because it's searching, you know. 55 might be relevant. There's 355. The GIL. Yeah, this kind of goes over the interesting bits. Yeah. I guess watch this one. Tax is done, let's go. Nice. They're a fucking pain in the ass this year. Mostly because of Stripe. I have to double check on this, but apparently, even though I haven't lived in California for years, I have to pay California taxes this year. Doesn't really make sense. What the fuck? Why? Yeah, I don't know. I think there's like some argument that the stocks that I sold vested while I was living in California, which also isn't true. Because none of them vested while I lived in California. But I also don't super know. To send up my 1099 info, and then I'm done paying someone else to do my measure. Ah, nice. Is your employer's California? No, that shouldn't matter. You should only be taxed on the location you live in. But I don't know. I have to figure it out. I have to figure it out. This should probably be a literal, so I don't fuck this up. Maybe an enum? I don't know. Literal is enum light. Wish there was a way to just say like the keys of these are literal and just let the type checker handle it for me. I don't think there is. Yeah, so there's a little bit of duplication here, but makes things a little more strict. My wife had to pay Lansing tax. So that's city's taxes. That's different. City taxes are different. I might owe this year. I never checked what percent Fidelity sold off my RSU vest to cover tax debt, because if it was 22%, it ain't enough. Yeah, I I definitely made sure that I could actually change that for Stripe this year. I was unable to change that for Lyft, and so I got super wrecked on that. Because Lyft only allowed specific withholding for their biggest execs. Okay, so I need to instead make this return an error or none. I guess I could also do this. Okay, so this last one needs to look more like the work one here. called runner, right? It shouldn't be a ton if I do. Oh, luckily, oh, mine was a 100,000 plus. It was not fun. What am I doing? It is called worker here though. Yeah, so I basically need these. Instead of fix skip reason, they are status keys, call them. Interesting that these are as text. Later 1 million social credit? Alright. Okay. I got clever with the encoding errors here. I feel like I don't have good tests here. We have some tests. I find it weird that it had to traverse dependencies here. Oh, because it's just recurrence tools. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to test all these. I guess I do have a dev set up for this, so I can test them. Yeah. Oh, I guess I can make a release pre-commit too. Oh, there's two things. Three dot 6.1 2024-02-10, I want to say it is. Hey, look at that. Fixes. Move Python executable from environment when opening. Fix. Marcus. Sure. Mark Counts, thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. How you doing today? How was your stream? What were you up to? What were you working on? How you doing? Rodriguez says evening all. Hello, hello. Full stage files only with only a CRLF diff. Lena Spark says, "Hi Al, I know that keyboard." Oh, yeah. It is a keyboard. Cat peasant. Dragon. Thank you for the resub at 33 months. It's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing well, Cat Peasant. Always good. Togglebit's also here. Hello, hello. You're running some Roost. You like that keyboard? It's fine. Does its job. 1, 2, 6. That's not the right number. Togglebit, are you real? It's debatable. I like that you wrote Togglebot, Cat Peasant. There's a good typo there. It's not the worst. Hey, that's a win in my book. Alright, this is the only other place we have to change. 361. Using the deprecated commands. We need a Togglebot now? Yeah. We all need a Togglebot. After run sounds good. Thank you for the raid. Thank you for stopping by. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Yes, ... typo. Okay. That's how this works. You have to do it until it succeeds. Boucher says, what will you use when setup type high build command will be removed? There's this tool called build, which is supposed to do the right thing. Presumably I would use that instead. Another language is probably the right answer, which is what Chandoxer says. Yeah. These two. I don't remember, what's your second favorite language? I assume Python was your first one. No, I like C# more. I just don't get to write it very often. I guess I would also say that I don't really. I mean, all languages kind of suck in various ways. Oh, I wonder how this is gonna work, because I'm pretty sure my second GitHub account doesn't have multi-factor, but GitHub is requiring multi-factor everywhere. I'm kind of curious what happens when I log in here. What is it going to do? Because I don't think I've logged into this second account in a while. It's just gone, imagine. Fuck. We have phoned you at this phone number. Huh. Asking for a TOTB code. Well, I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec, because I gotta go grab my phone. Alright, we're back. I found my phone. GitHub. Verify your two-factor. I just fucking did. What? Hello? Good ass thing. Oh my god, it's making me do it again? I had to log in with it. Of course it's configured. Let's get up. Okay. This, alright, deployed to dev. Alright, so we can fuck around with it here. Demo light. I can stop ignoring. I can fork to this place. Then I can make an edit here. It should only take a few seconds. Okay. Make an edit here that needs a change. And then make a PR to the original one. And that should... why isn't it letting me make a PR? Contribute, open pull request, here we go. So, trailing white space should try and get auto fixed. And we should get the brand new custom error message, in theory. Do 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 do. And assuming that works, then red. Okay, good. It should be running. Failed to push. Oh, we don't have our little status messages here. We don't have the colors. We gotta fix that. This is supposed to be red and angry. But anyway, the backend code works. Backend code works, so just gotta fix the front end garbage. Pseudo developer, thank you for the follow. Sorry, missed that. Welcome back. I hear a dog. There's no dog. Excuse me? Chat's gonna think you're a furry now. Your response to that is bark. Oh no. Okay, let's try and figure out the front end. Do 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 do. Yeah, peasant says bork also. Okay, I seem to remember that there's just a bunch of so yeah, so I'm just gonna make a bunch of commas here. That's probably the easiest way to do this. A little bit jank, but I don't care. Maybe we do. Crow, hello, welcome back. I forget how this ID thing works. Status display none. Dot status target display block. Oh, yes, it has a status here. I think we'll do it like that. And then these can be dots instead. Oh, except I did failed. So this should be blank. And if we do status push failed, we get this. Status push failed organization. Hooray! Crow says, in Bambi, did you make the color too? What do you mean? I did not make. I adjusted the theme. It's originally a VS Code theme, but I adjusted it. Properly display colors on. Lights. That is. Do 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 do. Added more specific error messages based on the push output. That'll make this less confusing next time. Also, a special message for workflows being modified as well. Well, that was fast. Merged so quickly. Oh, I need to do this. I guess technically it's not updated until this part's done, but cool enough. I don't do anything for. You're annoying. I'm gonna try and do one more thing. Now that's done. Walrus in a list comprehension. Oh, kill me. What a mess. Okay, so this bit of code here. This is why people shouldn't be allowed to write code. What the fuck is this? We're on the latest version. X is assigned to but never used on line 3. But really, it should recognize that this assignment is to this here. It's not introducing a variable there. I thought we had handled this already. I guess not. What is the AST class for this called? It's called named expert. Don't treat annotation assignments if there is an existing value in scope. Real says, some time ago I created an issue to add support for XE test plan and identify. Usually encouraged to do that first, but in the beginning of the stream you asked somebody to simply create a PR, so I did that if that's okay. Yeah. For identify, if you can just do it, just do it. I would not do this, just leave those. Some of them are kind of intentionally not sorted, like CS and CS Proj, because they're related to C#. So I would just leave, yeah, your changes is hard to review now because of this. Also, I think this might be not a single JSON file, but JSON lines, which is not a type that we currently have. Example. No, this is just one thing. Okay, so maybe that's fine. Yeah, so rebase out your second commit and just do the main commit. $8. Thank you for the resub at 38 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. It's going all right. Built-in arithmetic error. Named expert assignment. The add binding it is. Okay, so that'll be easier to trace. Okay, well, let's figure what this does. Argument. Existing and not a built-in and not different forks. If it's an import, that's for handling unused imports. Value.name in self.scope. Assume the rebound named is used as a global or within a loop. Okay, it's not quite right. Don't treat annotations as assignment if there's an existing value in scope. It's annotation stuff. Still the import stuff. Okay, if it's not in scope, okay, so there's a problem here. One of these things should mark it as used if it's reassigning it. This is redefining it though, which is not what we want. This is just finding the last non-generator scope. Yeah. Value.used equals self.scope. So it's clobbering this here. Okay, so we basically need to check if there's already a name here and do nothing. So this should be set default. But we need to add a test. Test assign expert generator scope reassigns parameter. And then we can just grab their example. Where the fuck was it? Oh, I did this here. That's compiler says this ain't Arch. It's true. This ain't Arch, by the way. Yeah. uh, oh god, there's all sorts of other ones. Oh. Not quite right. Yep. It's a little bit better. This seems not great. I'll do this differently. I think there's a better way to do this. Bruh. Except I lost their comment. Okay, that's apparently fine. Allow assignment expressions to redefine outer names. Garbage code. I guess I should do the other identify patches while I'm here then. .metal. I did look this up and this does appear to be a real thing. Metal shading language. More common. Okay, so we're not merging that one then. This one. Okay. And we'll release that. 2.5.34. Yeah. Well, there's been no feature doodads. Why does my notification get up? I hate when it does that. Very annoying. Okay. I'll let that happen. See about those. This is the only other one to look. Need to think more about that one. What's the command for the cat? I think it's FAQ cat. There we go. For the cat kiss. I didn't quite get caught up, but I think I think I'm done for today. We got a good amount of stuff done, so I guess we'll call that good. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go subscribe there, check that out, etc. Oh, it else beat me to it. My VODs also go up on the second channel, so subscribe there for those if you missed any part of the stream or you want to catch up on previous streams. That's where to check those out. Yeah, you can also join the Discord. That's where I announce my streams, and there's also a bunch of fun social channels, and there's a beginners channel if you want to ask program questions as well. Crow says wait. Oh no. What's the holdup? VODs aren't available on Twitch? No, they haven't been on Twitch for a very long time. Almost a year now. So they only go up on YouTube. But good news, YouTube or Twitch made it so I don't have exclusivity anymore, so I can just upload them immediately. Anyway, let's go find someone to raid.